Pops, can you tell me a story?
What?
Will you tell me a story, Grandpa?
Oh, a story. Oh, of course. Oh, my. You know, Sonny, I think it's time I gave you the talk.
The talk, Grandpa? I don't know about the talk, man. I don't know if you're the right person or it's the right time for the talk. Birds and bees, I don't know.
Gosh darn it! Who said anything about the birds or the bees? I'm talking about the nitrogen cycle. A long time ago, in a land far, far away.
It's day one of my journey. Came through the atmosphere. All I am is a simple nitrogen atom. This is my tale. From the atmosphere, I was absorbed into the soil through soil-fixing bacteria. This was the first step of my journey into the nitrogen cycle. After I was fully absorbed into the soil through nitrogen fixation, I would begin my journey into the unknown on planet Earth. I knew there would be hardships, challenges to overcome. But hey, that's the nitrogen cycle for you. As I lay there kneeled in the grass, I couldn't help but wonder where my next step on the journey life would take me. Through assimilation or fixation, I was absorbed into a lush bed of vegetation and plants. It is day 365 of my journey. My time as a plant is, well, it's ending. The decomposers on the forest floor helped decompose me back into the soil. With help from denitrifying bacteria, I was able to get out of the soil and back up into the atmosphere, where I belong. Well, what can I say? It's been amazing. There's nothing else quite like the nitrogen cycle.
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Well, oh my, Sonny, I seem to have taken a dozer. I'm sorry, where was I? Oh, that's right, the nitrogen cycle. Now that I've finished explaining that to you, I'm going to explain to you the importance of mitosis. Let me draw up a quick sketch. Now take a gander.
Oh yeah, I know mitosis. I learned about that in school. Yeah, in mitosis, chromosomes replicate to form chromatids. The chromatids line up along the center. Chromatids are pulled apart and move toward the poles. The nucleus divides, and two daughter cells both have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell.
Very good, grandson. I should buy you a candy apple. I haven't had a candy apple as long as I can remember. Now, let me explain to you meiosis. The process of duplicating sex cells.
Grandpa, I didn't think this was the talk.
Shut up. Here we go. Take another gander at meiosis.
In meiosis, the chromosomes replicate. The homologous chromosomes pair up, and the homologous swap sections of DNA. The homologous pairs divide. The daughter nuclei have single chromosomes. Chromosomes divide, gametes have single chromosomes, and a new mix of genetic material arrives.
Very good, grandson. Now that you know about meiosis and mitosis, I'll explain to you the process of DNA replication with the messenger and transfer RNA. Okay, grandson. So the DNA starts out in the nucleus. The RNA polymers unwind the DNA, read the sequence, and turn it into messenger RNA. RNA takes it out of the nucleus through nucleotic pores. In cytoplasm, it finds the ribosomes. And the ribosomes read the messenger RNA in triplets. And each triplet equals an amino acid, which is very important. It reads start codons to produce acid. And then the transfer RNA goes to the ribosome, builds up the peptides, and then it sets the polypeptide bonds. When it hits a start codon, it stops making an amino acid, and the codon chains break down and become protein. DNA is a wonderful thing, isn't it, grandson? Grandson? Grandson! Oh! I'm sorry. But, now, did you ever wonder how you got your blonde hair?
No.
Alright, well come take a look at this Punnett square. Okay, grandson, take a look at this. Your father's gene is going to be up here, and your mother's gene is going to be down here. So, we know that your papa had blonde hair, so we're going to do 2 big H's for the dominant gene. Your mother, however, had brown hair, so big H and little h. Then you just bring them down and across and see what you get. So, as you see here, we have 2 big H's and 2 big H, little h. It's 1/2 dominant, or how we science folks write it, 2/4, and for little h, big H, we also have 2/4. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting brown hair or blonde hair.
Alright, Grandpa, well, it's getting kinda late, and I have school tomorrow, so I should probably go.
Sonny, wait. Come here. Come close. Come close to Grandpa. Come close. Sit down! My goodness. I have one thing left to explain to you. That is mutation in natural selection. More often than not, mutation leads to a bad thing, but can often be good in some cases. Come take a look, and Granny will show you what is up in the cup. A DNA mutation can be as simple as changing one letter, such as a C to a T. This could cause a stop, which is an incorrect sequence causing a shortening of protein. This may not seem like much, but in the grand scheme of things can cause cancer or a different mutation, which can lead to a death of an organism.
Alright, Gramps, well that's all good and fun, but seriously, I'm gonna bail now. So,
wait!
Thank you.
No, grandson, wait. I have to tell you about Vietnam and candy apples. Poor Grandpa.
You okay?
My balls hurt.
Uh-oh.
Stop the tape.